Good morning friends. My name is Rudra Raval and today we are going to study about different type of images formed by concave mirror. Firstly, there are six type of places where we can kept our object and forms image. The six type of places are: first, at infinity; second, beyond C; third, at C; fourth, between C and F; fifth, at F; and sixth, between F and P. Now we will study how images formed by different places by making ray diagram. In every ray diagram we will use two rules out of four rules of reflection by spherical mirrors. In case first, object is at infinity. First incident ray comes parallel to principal axis. Second incident ray also comes parallel to principal axis. First reflected ray goes through focus and second reflected ray also goes through focus. So our intersecting point is at focus. So our image is formed at focus. Observations. Position of image at F. Size of image highly diminished. And nature of image real and inverted. In case second, object is placed at beyond C. First incident ray come parallel to principal axis and reflected through focus. Second incident ray comes through focus and goes parallel to principal axis. So our image will form between C and F. A dash, B dash. Observations. Position of image between C and F. Size of image diminished. And nature of image is real and inverted. In case third, object is placed at C. First incident ray comes parallel to principal axis and reflected through focus, and second incident ray comes through focus and image will form at C. Observations. Position of image at C. Size of image same as object. Nature of image real and inverted. In case fourth, object is placed between C and F. First incident ray comes parallel to principal axis and reflected through focus. Second incident ray comes through focus our image will form beyond C. Observations. Position of image beyond C. Size of image enlarged, and nature of image is real and inverted. In case fifth, object is placed at focus. First incidence ray comes parallel to principal axis and goes through focus. Second incident ray comes to pole and goes like parallel to reflected ray first, but they are actually not parallel. They appear that they will meet at some point, but we don't know the fixed point. Position of image at infinity. Size of image highly enlarged. And nature of image is real and inverted. In case sixth, object is placed between F and P. First incident ray come parallel to principal axis and reflected through focus. And second incident ray come to pole and reflected like parallel to reflected ray first. But they are also not parallel. They appears that they will not meet and not meet at any point. So we will in this case object will image will form behind the mirror. Observations. Position of image. Mirror, behind the mirror. Size of image enlarged. And nature of image virtual and erect. Thanks.